So what was your favourite part?
Probably the Dulux Bright Skies. I actually really like the colour. I just think it's really refreshing, it's playful, it's definitely far from the dull kitchen we had at the beginning.
And I think the most important thing is that we've done it together.
Definitely, I'm very proud of us.